any point on the plane. Let the distance of P from the y-axis equals to A. This is the x-axis and this one is the y-axis, and here the distance of P from the x-axis is equal to the B. So now we show the point P, which is A and B. Show this point on the plane. So the distance of the P from the y-axis, y-axis से जो distance है, this is here. A, and from the x-axis it is B. So this one is B. This is the point P. A comma B. So this is the point show on the coordinate plane. Now we read about the quadrant. This is the first quadrant. This is the second quadrant. This one is the third, and this one is the fourth quadrant. So here this is first, second, third and fourth. Now we read the sign of in this quadrant. If any point P, the value of P is plus x and plus y, this comes into the first quadrant and have the sign plus plus. Second one is the point Q, which one sign is minus x and another is plus y. This comes into the second quadrant, minus and plus. And fourth one is R, which have both value plus x and minus y. This is the fourth quadrant, second, first. Fourth one comes into the fourth quadrant, plus and minus sign, and the third quadrant have as containing the sign minus x and minus y. This comes into the third quadrant. This is the sign of the every quadrant and the coordinate point. This is the coordinate point which assigned by the P, Q, R, S. Now we take one question. Show the given coordinate on the graph paper. Solution point is 2 3 and minus k 4 minus k 5. First we made here a temporary graph paper. Show these point now. Point is P point is 2 and 3 and Q point is minus 4 and minus 5, and this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. And now the value of first point is in positive number, which is comes on the right side of the y-axis. 1 2 here, and after this 2 is here, and after this point 3 1 2 3, so point is here. This is the P point 2 comma 3, and another point is Q. Now we show this point on the graph paper. This is minus 4 and minus 5. First we go on the left side of the y-axis because it contains the minus sign. 1 2 3 4 here 4, and minus sign from the x-axis. 1 2 3 4 5 here, and it comes here 5 and 4, so this is the point here. It is the Q point, minus 4 and minus 5. The giving equation is y is equal to 3x plus 2. Now we find the value of y for x. If x is equal to 0, so y is equal to 2, because 3 multiply by 0 plus 2, so y is equal to 2. So here we take the y is equal to 2 for the value of x is equal to 0. If we take the value of x is equal to 1, so it give us the value 5, same as these 2 points show on the graph paper and meet them. It draw a line on the graph paper. to make it. And this is the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now x is equal to 0, 1. This give the name p 1.0 for x and 2 for y, and the point q is 1 and 5. Plot this point on the graph paper. Zero and 2. 0, it means we do not move from here at the origin, and 2, 1, 2. So this is the point here, 0 and 2. And now we go the second point. This is the point P, and here, and point Q, 1 and 5. 1 is here and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is here. This is the Q point, 1 and 5. And now meet the point P to Q. P to Q. This is meet